YouTube, what's up? It's your boy B. Rich coming to you with a recipe. We're gonna do a banging buffalo chicken wing chili. Did we get that? I think we got that right. Buffalo chicken wing chili. Stay tuned. We're about to fire the grill up. I'm gonna take y'all outside, show what I do with my grill. As y'all can see, it got a little dark out here on me, but we still gonna fire this grill up anyway, okay? And if y'all notice what's in my ears, these are the mini A2s that I did a review on just the other week, and they still working great. So go check that video out when you get a chance. But listen, we got the Royal Oak. If y'all can see that, Royal Oak. About to light her up. Bring y'all down here with me. So Royal Oak, they got you can get like the Royal Oak XL or just the regular Royal Oak. The regular Royal Oak got small pieces in it, but it also got small and big pieces. And every bag that you buy Royal Oak, I like it because it's natural, no chemicals like Kingsford do. But Kingsford do work too. I ain't hating on them. They do their thing, and I use Kingsford for years. But when I start trying to look into doing things a little more natural, I saw Royal Oak and was like, let me get that, So they got big pieces, okay? So I got the small pieces in there. We're gonna throw these big pieces in there too. Put the small pieces on the bottom to get the fire lit, and then we're gonna get it rolling. All right, y'all, we're gonna season this ground chicken up on the, I don't wanna mix it too much, but definitely wanna incorporate this seasoning. Charcoal is ready. Okay. All right, y'all. So after I got my coals down in there, got some hickory chunks here. I'm just gonna throw them down in here. Shut the top. Let this baby come up to temperature. All right, y'all. So I'm getting my veggies together. Sorry for the lighting, it is dark out here. But I got me an onion. I cut it open. And I'm gonna throw this on the fire. See if it'll give me some more flavor. If it don't give me flavor, guess what? If you haven't tried putting your onion on the fire, try it. It'll at least make it smell better. I don't smoke it all. I just want to get a little bit more flavor. Take my flavors to another level. Yes, indeed. YouTube, still at it. Just want to show y'all what we got. I got everything on the grill. Everything is on the grill with the smoke. I got the chicken, the bacon, the pepper, the onion, the celery. I got some fire roasted tomatoes, northern beans. I drained them and then I put chicken broth inside of it. Rotel, it's another can of roasted beans, tomato sauce, carrots, everything on there. And we're gonna let it smoke and do its thing. Let me shut her up. So my coworkers tell me I smoke everything. It's actually a joke that goes on around in the office that I smoke everything. So I don't know, I'm gonna let y'all chill for a minute. And when this stuff get off, we're gonna fix everything else up. Later. All right. We have had this on for about an hour and a half, I believe. We're gonna check it out. I came out here and flipped this chicken. Show you what we got. So I flipped the bacon, flipped the chicken. I'm about to pull these things off because it's getting late and I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. So we'll bring the stuff on the inside and we'll cut everything up and get it rolling. So everything is chopped up, and so I went ahead and crumbled this chicken up. Again, we do have to cook this. I had the grill on 225, so I wasn't really had it on the grill to cook it all the way through. Just wanted to get that smoke flavor in it. So I crumbled it up, and really I was able to take my hand and just kind of Smash it up, and here we are. Finished cooking process here. So I've incorporated all the veggies and carrots with the chicken. We're gonna saute this for about 8 to 10 minutes. Let the vegetables get softened, and then we will move to the next step. Carrot as well. Let's go out just a little bit, not too much. You definitely don't want it to burn.